Now let's write code for book DAO class and unit test. In this video, we are going to implement the following methods for the book DAO class: create, update, delete, get, list all, file by title, count. And because we have an image field, so we need to use MySQL Workbench to check the book's images. And let's review the database design for the table book. You see, you can see that this table has a foreign key to the category table here. You see the category table here. You see this makes one-to-many relationship between the category table and the